Good evening, Plymouth, gateway to the Roanoke River Delta and the Albemarle Sound. Tonight, lights rise above the Roanoke River to celebrate the bears, the community, and the nation that turns 250 years old. Welcome to the National Black Bear Festival. Before the festival, before the town, before anyone gave these bears a name, there was a bear in the sky. Ursa Major, the Great Bear. Tonight, he watches over all of us. He calls these wetlands home, the largest black bears on the planet, right here on the banks of North Carolina's Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, meet your host. Tonight's drone light show is made possible by the generous support of Weyerhaeuser. For generations, Weyerhaeuser has been a steward of the forests, wetlands, and river corridors that our black bears call home. Weyerhaeuser played a key role in black bear restoration by working with the NC Wildlife Commission in creating 27 bear sanctuaries on their land, which saw the black bear population surge from 2,000 bears in 1970 to over 20,000 today. Thank you, Weyerhaeuser, for your stewardship and your sponsorship of our drone show. "13 colonies, 13 stars, 13 promises stitched into a flag by firelight. And tonight, in the sky above Plymouth, North Carolina, those stars are shining again." "250 years ago, this nation declared something radical, that all people are created equal, and that freedom is worth fighting for. Tonight, Plymouth joins the whole country in celebrating that promise. From sea to shining sea, this is our country. And near the coast of North Carolina, that little white star is the heart of Bear-O-Lina and home of the National Black Bear Festival. Plymouth, bear capital of the world and proud American city. In 1776, it was a drum roll that called men from the farm field to the battlefield, and from fighting to establish a foothold on this continent to fighting for our freedom from tyranny. 250 years later, that drum still echoes. He was a farmer, a neighbor, a father. He set down his plow, picked up his musket, and stood in the field when it mattered. The Minuteman, the original American. 250 years later, we remember. "250 years ago, they chose an eagle, because nothing soars higher, sees farther, or flies freer. The majestic bald eagles still soar, nest and raise their young along the Roanoke River and Albemarle Sound. They are a frequent reminder of our country's strength, courage, and freedom. Proclaim liberty throughout all the land. Those words still ring true today as we celebrate that great American ideal. Here in the night sky, with the Liberty Bell ringing over Plymouth, let's raise a cheer for our freedom. The Roanoke River has carried people, stories, and dreams since long before this country had a name. Tonight, she carries something else, the hopes and dreams of this generation and gratitude for our great nation. There are over 100 miles of shoreline within 5 miles of Plymouth, 7 boat ramps, and 16 paddle trails on the rivers and creeks in the county, making this a premier destination for fishing and paddling. This is where traffic ends and adventure begins. Somewhere right now, just a few miles from where you are standing, black bears are roaming in the darkness. This is their home, where they leave their tracks. What should you do if you encounter a bear? Enjoy the moment, because it will soon be a memory. This festival was built on love. Love for these magnificent animals, love for this river, and love for this community. Plymouth, North Carolina, bear capital of the world and one of the kindest places on earth. "50 states, 250 years, one extraordinary nation. And tonight, right here in Plymouth, we celebrate all of it. Happy 250th birthday, America." And our thanks to EDF Renewables, a leader in clean energy who believes that investing in communities and investing in the future go hand in hand. We're grateful for your support of the National Black Bear Festival and the people of Barolina. Thank you, EDF Renewables. And another special thank you to the town of Plymouth, home of the National Black Bear Festival, the gateway to North Carolina's Amazon. We're proud to call Plymouth home. Thank you, town of Plymouth. Every year, Plymouth lights up the Roanoke. Every year, the river gives it back. Doubled, shimmering, more beautiful. That's Plymouth. That's bear country. Somewhere in the dark out there, past the river, past the fields, a black bear is moving through the night. He doesn't know we were here, but we'll always know he was. Good night, Plymouth. Good night, bear country.